Rainy weather is the cause of frequent annoyance. The footprints of shoes with wet, profiled soles on entrance floors, beyond the entrance mat. This can also cause dangerous, slippery situations and requires constant cleaning. Now, fortunately, there's Moss, an absorbent entrance mat which absorbs 3 times more moisture than standard mats. With its unique pile construction demonstrably absorbing 3 times more moisture, Moss is also suitable for Class 33 heavy-duty commercial use. Your entrance remains safe, clean, and presentable. Moss is available in a broad range of 16 colors, 10 subtle plain colors, 3 flocked, and 3 marble designs. Moss can easily be combined with all kinds of floors and interiors, from classic or modern to designer. Moss suits every floor. Rinos, supporting the perfect entrance.